Hey art lovers! Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom brushes in Procreate. It's super simple and it's super handy. Let's get to it. All you're going to need is your iPad, stylus, and then open up the Procreate app. I'm just going to go to a new piece of artwork. So all you're going to do is you're going to click whatever size you want and then go to the section with the brushes up at the top. Here you'll see all the ones that they automatically give you. But to make your own, you're going to go up here and press this plus button. This will give you the option to do your own stroke path, which changes the spacing, as you can see here, jitter, which makes it all jittery, and then fall off as well. And then next you can click on stabilization, streamline, you can do the amount, you can change the pressure, amount again for stabilization, and this doesn't really show up right here. This won't show up on the iPad, but it does show up on like how you use your brush and whenever you actually use it. So here you can change the size, you can change the opacity, and then you can also change the pressure. And as you can see, this all matters on like the tip and everything like that. So there's what it looks like there. And then if you want to test it out for yourself, they do give you a drawing pad so you can see what it would look like. And then if you fill up that drawing pad like I just did, you just go up here to where it says drawing pad by Brush Studio. You can do the preview size, and then you can change the color. And then a clear, you're just going to click clear drawing pad. And you can go down to shape. There's a bunch of different options for shape. You could do rotation, pressure, roundness. And then if you wanted shape filtering, I usually do improve filtering just because it makes it a little bit better. And then there is a grain option, so you could do scale, do rotation, there's depth, brightness, contrast. Again, this isn't going to show up on this one right here. It'll show up whenever you actually do it. There's a rendering option, so you could change what kind you want. Blending, so it just helps to blend. Change the flow, which makes it lighter or darker. There's a wet mix, which makes it look a little funky. But there's a bunch of different options whenever it comes to the brushes. There's hues, saturations, pressure, color tilt, dynamics, you have size, opacity. And then also, if you guys are using an Apple Pencil, there is a size and opacity and which way the tilt is, which changes what your brush looks like whenever you do tilt it a certain way, which I think is super cool. Estimated pressure, so how much you think pressure-wise you're gonna need to put on there. Mine usually stays at 10% just because I don't like roughhouse it, or I'm not super light, but I'm not super like smashing the screen with my pencil. You also have properties. And then materials, you can do metallic, and then it gives you an amount where you can change it. Scale, roughness, you can change the roughness. So here, as you can see, with the amount all the way down, looks a little funky. Scale, you can change that. And then you can also customize it. So if you wanted to say like made by your name, if I can spell, be like made by Kenzie, and then done. So then you're gonna have your brush right up here. Obviously still change the size and the opacity over here. There's a bunch of different options. Like I said, there's a bunch of different ways that you could do it. There's nothing specific that is super hard, and that way you don't have to pay for one, because I know there is pretty expensive brushes on Procreate. So there is your tutorial on how to do custom brushes in Procreate. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment any questions that you have, and I will do another tutorial on those. And I will see you guys next time.